Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the new community Everrange in Jacksonville, Florida. This new community is being developed by the Park Group. These are the same developers that developed Nocatee and E-Town. Now today I'm in the new neighborhood Mariposa. We're going to be taking a look at this model home by Riverside Homes. This is the Scarlett floor plan. This is a 2-story floor plan that features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a flex room, a loft. Now there are some structural options where you can add a 5th bedroom. We could definitely take a look at those structural options at the appointment with the builder. All right, here we are in the foyer. This is a 2-story foyer, approximately 20 feet. We're going to continue our tour here to the left into bedroom 2. Now, Riverside Homes is one of the builders here in the Mariposa neighborhood within the Everrange community. And there's opportunity to build from ground up on 40 and 50-foot home sites. The Scarlett would go on a 50-foot home site. Okay, here's the closet. All right, and bedroom 2 is approximately 11 feet with 8 inches by 11 feet. Next we have bathroom 2. This one features a walk-in shower. Turn on the light there. Really nice features. If you're building from ground up, these are things that can be chosen at the design center. From flooring to the countertops, paint colors. You have a linen closet here. Now, I don't work for the builder, but I am an agent here in the area and would love to assist you in your new home journey. If you'd like to connect and are looking for a realtor to work with, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to assist you in the new construction process. Whether you're looking to build from ground up or a home already under construction or completed, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. All right, so this was the flex room, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the powder bath here to the right. So you're gonna have 10-foot ceilings on the first floor and 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. Here we're walking into the common living area, and I'll give you a pan. Straight ahead is the kitchen. You have very nice design selections, quartz countertops. This kitchen features the gourmet or the chef's kitchen with the double ovens, the cooktop. And this floor plan does feature a 3-car garage. That's the garage entry door. Stacked cabinets, designer vent. Here you have a farmhouse sink. Now, a structural option that was added here in the model is the sunroom. If the structural option wasn't added, you would have this wall here that would continue over here. All right, next is the dining area. Now, before we continue, let's take a look outside. Here we have a covered lanai with a fireplace. All right, here we have the living room or the family room, and there is a structural option to have a fireplace here. This area is about 17 feet by 17 feet. All right, let's take a look upstairs. Here we have wooden stairs. Now, this is something that can be chosen at the design center if building from ground up. You can choose the type of railing and stain. All right, here we have the loft. tray ceiling. And this loft area is approximately 11 feet with 8 inches by 15 feet, 3 inches. We're heading over to the owner's suite or primary bedroom. Before entering, we could see this linen closet here. Here we have the owner's suite. This room is approximately 13 feet with 4 inches by 17 feet, 2 inches. And it does feature the optional tray ceiling. Here we're walking into the owner's bath. This features a standalone tub, 2 sinks, frameless shower glass door, tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Next is the walk-in closet. This closet features custom closet, water closet here. All right, let's take a look at bedrooms 3 and 4. Here's a view to the open foyer. Laundry room over here. Features cabinets. Also can be chosen at the design center. And that was the door to the mechanical room. Bedroom 3. Now bedroom 3 is approximately 11 feet by 13 feet. Closet here. And next we have bedroom 4. Now bedroom 4 is approximately 13 feet with 6 inches by 11 feet 4 inches. Let's get another point of view over here. Closet over here. Before we take a look at the last bathroom, there is a linen closet here just before entering bedroom 4. And then here we have the last bathroom featuring a shower tub combo, tile, quartz countertop, and then we're back into the loft area.
If you'd like to know more about this floor plan, Riverside Homes, the Everrange community here located in Jacksonville, Florida, feel free to reach out, give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.